I had zero intentions of picking up the Pixel 7, but I guess Google had other plans because when I pre-ordered the Pixel 7 Pro, they was giving you $200 store credit. Now I was gonna get that Pixel Watch, but after seeing the keynote, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get the Pixel Watch too. So, after doing some basic math, I saw how much they was selling the Pixel 7 for. I asked the lady if she wanted an upgrade. She was like, it is what it is. I was like, cool, upgrade. So after trading in her Pixel 6 and with my $200 store credit, I walked away paying $7. $7 for the Pixel 7. And then Google went ahead and gave me another $100. Talk about a steal. So let's go ahead and unbox the Pixel 7. All right, to be honest, I don't even remember all the differences between the Pixel 6 versus the Pixel 7. But let's go ahead and crack into it. Now, would you look at that? How is there dirt in the box already? I literally just cracked it open, bruh. And look, there's dirt right there. Dust. What is going on? But you know what you get in the box. You get all the usual. Don't really need to go through that. But there it is. Now, not that is smaller than what I was expecting. Let me give my new phone a wipe down without barely even touching it. But so like I told you, I already picked up the Pixel 7 Pro. Here's what that looks like, and here's the Pixel 7. Now, keeping it all the way 100 right now, I am feeling this size. I swear, I don't have her Pixel 6 near me right now, but I think this is way smaller. I think this is smaller than the Pixel 6. I did not know that. I'm not even gonna lie. With that flat screen, you see that those bezels? Now, there, if I am correct, yeah, it looks like there's a little bit more bezel at the bottom of this phone compared to like the Pro, but I am feeling the size of this. I did not think they shrunk it at all. I definitely did not know that. Can I turn down brightness? Probably blinding y'all right now, but I kind of like this size. Now, if I didn't have to throw a case on this, I might be able to get this for myself, but that that is a good size. Now, I'm no stranger to small phones. My daily is the Z Flip 4, but I can tell you now, this feels really good. This is a really nice size. Once again, here's how it compares to the Pixel 7 Pro. That is not bad. You can see it's missing that extra camera right there. For some reason, I want to say it's like a little bit, maybe a shade darker. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it's just the way I'm holding it, but I swear I feel like it's just a little bit darker than the other one. But I can tell you now, I like this camera, this visor versus this visor. I like how, oh, so you can't get fingerprints on this one. No fingerprints on this one. This one is a constant fingerprint magnet. But I'm, yo, I like this size. It has a good build quality. The flat screen has always been a fan favorite for me. One of the reasons I love the Z Flip 4. This is a really nice phone. Now, I already knew it wasn't going to be too much different from the Pixel 7 Pro, but I was not expecting this. This is a nice compact size, flat display. Absolutely dope. Now you can probably hear the cat at the door. Let me go feed the cat. I just wanted to go get this unboxed. Yo, if I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Let me spend a little bit of time with this. It's Vito's Tech. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.